You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, even though there are different pronunciations depending whether it's British English or American English. So let's go through. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. The British English pronunciation, UK, repository, repository. Generally the t syllable is just skipped, okay? Some may say repository, but generally just repository, alright? So that's one way of pronouncing it. Now the Americans pronounce it quite differently as repository, and that's quite common in English, in American English in the United States. Repository. So, two different pronunciations. Listen carefully, see if you can spot the difference. Repository, British English, or repository, American English pronunciations. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.